Craving a slice of moist, flavorful banana bread? Look no further. This recipe has garnered over 1,300 positive reviews and is a consistent favorite among bakers. What makes this banana bread stand out? It uses 4 ripe bananas, creating a super moist texture with intense banana flavor. The recipe isn't overly sweet, allowing the natural banana taste to shine through. The result is a dense yet tender loaf with a soft crumb that stays moist for days. Let's start with a pro tip for mashing bananas. Instead of manually mashing, use your electric mixer. Simply break the spotty bananas into large pieces, place them in your mixing bowl, and beat on low speed, gradually increasing to medium-high. This method is quick, easy, and ensures a smooth consistency. Now, let's look at the key ingredients. Softened butter provides a rich flavor and soft texture. Brown sugar is used exclusively in this recipe, contributing to the bread's moisture and adding a delightful caramel note. 2 large eggs give structure and tenderness, while sour cream or yogurt adds extra moisture. For those who enjoy some crunch, try adding 3/4 cup of chopped pecans or walnuts. If nuts aren't your thing, you can substitute with chocolate chips or simply leave them out. One of the best things about this banana bread is how well it freezes. To preserve its fresh flavor and texture, cool the bread completely. Wrap it tightly in plastic wrap or aluminum foil and place it in a freezer-friendly bag. It will keep for up to 4 months. Pro tip: freeze individual slices for quicker thawing. This recipe is straightforward and simple, taking only about 10 minutes to prepare the batter. As it bakes, your kitchen will be filled with an irresistible aroma. The bread tastes even better on the second day, as the flavors have time to meld. Whether you're a seasoned baker or trying your hand at banana bread for the first time, this recipe is sure to become a staple in your kitchen. With its perfect balance of banana flavor, moist texture, and simple preparation, it's no wonder this banana bread has become a beloved classic for so many bakers.